got this. Think more than just pie. Today we're going to tell you 2 things that you can do with rhubarb apart from making pie. Look at these giant leaves. Most people know you don't eat rhubarb leaves. But don't throw them away. In permaculture, we add plants back to the soil. Don't let these leaves go to waste. You can use them for chop and drop. Look, see. Wherever you see bare soil, tear these leaves like there and put it on the bare soil. This will increase the fertility of the soil, keeping your garden healthy so you don't need to use artificial fertilizer. The second tip I want to give you has to do with the rhubarb stem. Most people use the rhubarb stem to make sweet desserts. But the stem has a tangy taste, which is good in savory food too. Fry it in salads, or check out these recipes we found online that have been highly rated. So when you think rhubarb, think more than just pies. Why don't you try it and see what you think? That's all for today, guys. Bye-bye. I'm Armand, and I dig Food Forest. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Find more of our videos on Discover Food Forest on YouTube. Thanks for watching.